Hey, I'm Matt and I built ethglobal-skills. With a single command, your coding agents now have access to over 17,000 hackathon projects from the past 6 years, sponsor docs and bounties for upcoming hacks, and all past finalists and bounty winners. In a typical hackathon idea to product flow, during the ideation phase, you might be asking who are the finalists at the most recent hackathon, or what are some recent winning projects in a specific category. Then once you zone in on your idea, you might be wondering about the prizes. So what prizes are available at the hackathon, who are the recent winners of a specific sponsor's prizes, and what are their requirements. Well, now your coding agents can answer all of these questions. Here's a demo. So I'm in Claude Code and I've already installed the command. So I want to know who are the finalist projects at Hack Money 2026. So Claude is going to know to refer to the skill file and then call the API, and then it's going to output the 10 finalist projects at Hack Money 2026. And then I also want to know what are some of the recent Coinbase Developer Platform bounty winners. So it's going to go ahead and make the API call and then return projects from ethglobal Buenos Aires, New York, and then also Agentic Ethereum. And finally, I want to know what are the bounties available for open agents. So again, it's going to make the API call, and then it's going to return all the sponsors with their bounty descriptions and requirements. In terms of how all of this all works, first I used Python scripts to scrape the ethglobal event, project, and prize pages, saved all of that data as JSON files, and then used those JSON files to upload the data and store them to Supabase, and then used Next.js routes for the API endpoints to fetch from Supabase, and then also integrated X402 for rate limiting, and then finally used the skillmd file, which serves as a docs page so the AI coding agents know how to reference and call the API. Lastly, in terms of next steps, I want to update and scrape the prize descriptions and requirements for future hacks as they come in, so potentially find a way to automate this. Then add in the specific prize dollar amounts depending on their placements. Also add in the prize descriptions that happened before ethglobal Istanbul because the formatting for these was a little different. And then finally add in sponsor docs from hackathons that happened before open agents. And that's the demo. Thanks for watching.